Hello and welcome to the TES Secondary Maths Resource of the Week number 50 with me, Craig Barton. Now, seeing as this is our 50th video, I've been holding back something special for this anniversary edition, but now I'm ready to unleash it onto the world. But I just wonder, is the world ready? Because this may well be, and I know I say this every now and again, but it may well be the best resource I've ever seen on my life uploaded to TES. Here it is, the Maths Free Resource Library, which has been shared by one of my favourite uploaders, Owen 134866. Now, Owen has kindly recorded a screencast video explaining about the resource, and I strongly recommend you give that a watch. And then click yourself onto these Word documents, which download them, which give you full information and instructions about how to download the resource library. Now, this resource library is massive. Basically, it is Owen 134866, his full teaching career, all the PowerPoints, all the worksheets he's ever done, all stored in one place, and it is out of this world. Let me show you. I've got it sat on my desktop here, and it is my #1 go-to place. It is beautifully organised into algebra, geometry, number, stats, then he hits a bit of A-level, revision and tests, and then other. And let me show you how I use it and how we use it at work. So say, for example, I'm going to teach my lovely Year 10s a lesson on algebra inequality, shading regions on a graph. Now, I can start planning a PowerPoint myself from scratch, or I can try and find something on TES. But what I tend to do now is have a look how Owen has set his out and see if I like it and take it from there. So let's have a look. Crack open algebra, beautifully organised. Here's inequalities, and there you've got a lovely succession of lessons on there. The one I'm interested in is describing a region. Now, I've downloaded it here, and you'll see it's a beautifully laid out PowerPoint, really nicely animated with loads of learning objectives, notes, worked examples, and so on. Now, the beauty, of course, of PowerPoint, and I'd always recommend teachers do this when you download a PowerPoint from TES, is use this as a basis for your lesson and adapt it. Add in slides, take out slides, and fit it around your teaching style and the needs of your students. And that's exactly what you can do with these wonderful PowerPoints. But better than that, every single one comes with a worksheet. And this worksheet here has got loads of questions for the kids to practice. Now, I know what you're thinking, because you're probably thinking the same thing I do when I see a worksheet. I'd absolutely love there to be some answers for this. Well, for pretty much all of his worksheets, Owen 134866 kindly provides answers as well. It's perfect. So you've got pretty much a lesson and a worksheet on everything you could ever want, from Key Stage 3 right through to Key Stage 5. But there's more than that. In revision and tests, you've got past GCSE exam papers, Key Stage 3 end of year SATs tests and topic tests. But I love this as well. In other, you've got displays, fun stuff, loads of investigations, maths video, and what about this? Puzzle of the week. We use this as our numeracy puzzle on our maths notice board on the corridor, and Gaz, the guy who, our numeracy coordinator who creates the puzzles, is always scratching his brain trying to find a new one. But once I gave him this, he's absolutely laughing, because there's hundreds and hundreds of puzzles just ready to go to be stuck up on notice boards or emailed round in tutor time, or however you want to do this, or in lessons if you're just short of a puzzle for a student who's finished the work to be cracking on with. And once again, I mean, it just gets better and better and better, this. There's full-on answers to them all as well, and there's 3 years worth of puzzles there, plus a puzzle of the week poster just to be cracking on with. Look, I warn you now, it's going to take you all day to go through this stuff, but it will be a day well spent. What I did with our department is I copied this entire thing onto our secure shared learning area, and I say to staff, and especially new staff, that this should be your #1 go-to place when you're thinking about planning a lesson. Look how the lessons are planned here, look how they're structured, add in your own stuff, take out the stuff you don't want, but this is a really solid basis for some excellent, consistently high quality lessons. I have never in my life seen a resource as comprehensive and as high quality as this on TES, and I just want to be the first to just thank Owen 134866 for his wonderfully generous contribution in sharing this. If you use this resource, please hop on and say thank you to him, because this is quite some gesture to give all this away. And I don't know how I'm going to top this. I think I'm really going to struggle for the next set of 50, but I will do my very best. So I'll be back with Resource of the Week 51 next week. Take care, enjoy, and bye for now.